Alright, today we'll be going over some really confusing permutation questions. Alright, if you're here to subscribe, just hit the button and let's get the party going. Alright, the first question here says, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed that have the digit 5 used exactly once in them? So now we're going to form a 4-digit number, or rather series of 4-digit numbers having 5 used just once. Now the condition is on 5 is used once, whereas other numbers can be used more than once. That's the interpretation. Now in our counting numbers, we have 10 digits which range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the range of our counting numbers. So now because we have a 4-digit number, we're going to have 4 boxes. Now we're going to be putting this 5 at different positions in the boxes, so we're going to have 4 sets of 4 numbers. So we're going to draw 4 boxes, another set of 4 boxes, and the last one here. Alright, so now we're going to assume, let's say we're putting our 5 here in the first box, so we have only one number to fill in. Now when you pick out 5 from these 10 digits, you have 9 digits left. So we're going to have 9, because repetition is allowed for other digits. We also have 9, we also have 9. Now for the second one, let's assume 5 will be here, so we have 1. Now for this first box, 0 does not start, so we've removed 0, we've removed 5 from 10, so we have 8 digits left. After that, 0 can come in, so we're going to have 9 and 9. So let's assume 5 over here, same scenario, 0 does not start, so we have 8, 9, 9. Let's say 5 over here, same scenario, 0 does not start, and that is it. So now you're going to multiply everything. Now as much as you can, try not to be using calculator, but just so the video won't be unnecessarily long, I'll just put in the digits. So 9 times 9 is 81 times 9, that will give us 729. 9 times 9, 81 times 8, that will give 648. So it's going to be the same for these ones. So at the end of the day, when you add up everything, 8 plus 8 plus 8, that's 24, plus 9, that will give 33. 4 plus, we keep 3, 4 plus 4 is 12, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4, 12 plus 2, that's 14, plus 3, that's 17. We'll write 7, we keep 1. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6, that's 18. 18 plus 7, that's 25, plus 1, that gives 26. Alright, so we're going to be having 2676 numbers. Alright, the second one says, what is the sum of all the 4-digit numbers that are formed using each of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly once? Now there's something I want to explain here. We have 4 digits to play with. Now the 4 digits, they are 4, 3, 2 and 1, so we're using them just once, so that means repetition is not allowed. So the total number that we can form, the first box can be filled with 4. When we write 4, 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, what we mean is we have just 4 digits. Now I don't want to use this, let me use this to explain it. Now I have 4 digits to pick from, that's why you have 4 here. After using this, I have 3 digits left. So when we use this, I have 2 digits left, and when we use this, I have just 1 digit left. So you can see it's easier when you see it from this angle rather than this angle. So at the end of the day, let's see how many numbers we can form. We have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2, that's 24. So we're going to be getting 24 numbers, 24 4-digit numbers. Now one thing, now here let's try to form some of these numbers. Now we could have something like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see all the digits were used once. We could also have 1324. We can have 1432. We can have it like that down to 4321. So now this is the highest number you can form using the digits ones, and this is the smallest number you can form. Now we have 24 of them. We've been asked to add all of them up. Now there's a formula for that. When you're adding series or sequences, we call it arithmetic progression. So here the formula says that the sum of these numbers is going to be the total number that we can form, which is n over 2, into the first term, which is the smallest number, plus the last term, which is the largest number. So when we input our values, we have that Sn equals 24 over 2 into the smallest number we've already agreed is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and the largest number is 4321. So here we're going to be having 12 into 1 plus 4 will give us 5, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5, and 4 plus 1 we have 5. Now we're going to get 12 times 5 5 5 5. Now like I said, as much as you can, try not to use a calculator. So we have 1 2 3 4 times 12, 2 times 5, that gives 10. We write 0, keep 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 11, 1 keep 1, 11 1 keep 1, and 11. 1 times 5, that's 5, that's 5, that's 5, and that's 5. Now when you add everything up, you're going to be getting 0. This is 6 6 6 6. So we're going to have 66,600. Alright, thanks for watching, and do have a lovely. Alright, today we'll be going over